Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a soft cinnamon rolls. For the ingredients, let's start with the dough. First, mix the yeast into a warm milk and add a 1 tablespoon of sugar to activate the yeast. Leave it for 15 minutes. Mix the sugar, salt, and flour. Add the eggs and mix it well with a wire whisk. Add the butter. Now the yeast is ready. You can mix it with your flour. If you have a stand mixer, you can use it to mix your flour and make a dough, and no need for you to knead. You can also use a hand mixer, but I am more satisfied to mix it with my hands. Now your dough is ready to knead. Sprinkle some flour on the surface and start kneading. If you find your dough a little tacky, you can spread more flour. But for me, this is the perfect texture I want to achieve to have a soft cinnamon rolls. Now it is time to push and fold, push and fold to knead it for 15 minutes. Now brush your bowl with butter to put your dough after kneading. Now your dough is ready to rise. Just cover it with a clean cloth and place it in a warm place for about an hour. Now let's prepare the filling. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon ground with a cup of brown sugar and mix it well. To mix it well, I use my hands to avoid lumps as well. Now your filling is ready. Now let's get back to our dough of how it risen. Beautiful. Punch it to get rid of air. Now sprinkle some flour on the surface. And you're ready to roll. Roll until you form a rectangular shape. Cut the edges for a better form. Now brush your sheet of dough with the butter. Sprinkle your cinnamon ground filling. And start rolling your dough. It should look like this. And you can start cutting your dough according to size you want. You can use a bread knife, but I want to use my icing scraper because it is more easy to cut with it. As you can see, you have a soft dough. Wait for it until you baked it, and you will have a super soft cinnamon rolls that tastes as good as cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon. Prepare your pan, brush it with butter. Transfer the rolls into your pan and let it sit for 15 minutes. Preheat your oven, set it to 400 Fahrenheit degrees or 204 degrees Celsius. Now it's ready to put it in the oven. Set your timer and bake it for 15 minutes. Now let's put on the toppings. It's a cream cheese frosting. But of course, you have to let it cool first after getting it from the oven before putting on the frosting. The more frosting on it, the yummier it is. On my next vlog, I'm gonna show you how to make a cream cheese frosting and other options for the toppings like a cinnamon glazed or a sugar glazed and a chocolate toppings with the cream cheese frosting. Finally, you are ready to eat your very soft and yummy cinnamon rolls. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mamshie YouTube channel.